A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for baby. B is for baby. C is for candle. C is for candle. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Let's learn some more. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for glasses. G is for glasses. H is for hand. H is for hand. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. Don't go away, we are still not finished. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for ladybug. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for nose. N is for nose. O is for orange. O is for orange. Don't go away, we are still not finished. P is for pig. P is for pig. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. S is for spider. S is for spider. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Don't go away, we have to learn just a few more letters. The next letter is U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.